Hey folks, it's Sydney from the Python open source team at LangChain, and I'm super excited to bring you our next edition of our middleware series. So, model outages can be incredibly unpredictable, but luckily, with LangChain's new model fallback middleware, the reliability of your application doesn't have to be. Whatever the reason may be that your model calls are no longer working, that could be a provider outage or an API quota exhausted, LangChain's model fallback middleware can help you fall back to a safe and functional model to keep your application running. Let's take a look at our new docs to check this out. All right, so we're looking at our new middleware docs. We have an overview page, a list of all of our built-in middlewares, both provider agnostic and provider specific middlewares, and then also a whole page on how you can create your own custom middlewares. So we're looking at the model fallback middleware, which, as mentioned, can help you build more resilient agents that can handle model outages, falling back when you run out of API credits for a given model. And then specifically, one benefit of using LangChain here is that you can fall back to models that have different providers. So you can have a primary OpenAI model and then fall back to an Anthropic model, etc. So specifying a fallback model is as simple as providing your primary model to create agent and then adding this model fallback middleware with any number of fallbacks that you'd like. Let's take a look at this in action. So here I have a super simple script. I'm using LangChain's create agent primitive to simulate model failure. I'm just using an Anthropic model that doesn't exist. And then I also have a fallback model that doesn't exist. And then our final model that we expect to work, which is GPT-4o Mini from OpenAI. So let's demo this in Studio. So we have a super simple agent graph, and I'm just going to ask the model, what's 15 times 23? We can look at our Linksmith trace view here to get a good idea of what's happening. So we see the model is called with our human message input, what's 15 times 23. We see that initial call to our chat Anthropic model fails. It's because we have that typo, but this could be in real life like an outage or an API credit limit. Then we see our next fallback model, also simulated with a typo here, fails. And then finally, we fall back to our last GPT-4o Mini model and get the expected result. Great, so this has been a quick demo of LangChain's model fallback middleware. We're super excited to see the resilience that you build into your applications with this.